Welcome. In front of me is a Black Shark 5, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode. So to get started, you will want to pull down the toggle panel from the right upper side of the screen, expand the list, and then here you should find somewhere the battery saver or power saving mode, however they call it. Oh, there we go, battery saver. So from here, simply tap on it, and as you can see, it already enabled. It changes the color of the battery. Instead of being white, it has a different fill now. And one another thing that will happen is your high refresh rate display will now be turned off, so it's back to 60 Hertz and power saving mode, and also things like Wi-Fi and mobile data will be turned off or disabled, I guess, when the device is in sleep mode, and this would be considered sleep mode. Now when you wake up the device, it will reconnect to Wi-Fi and mobile data automatically, so you'll get whatever notifications, messages or stuff like that I'm missing, you'll get it automatically when you unlock the device or when you wake it up. Now once you're done with the actual power saving mode, you can disable it by finding the toggle once more and tapping on it. So there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.